Please, I ain't got nothing to lose. Please. Please. I don't got nothing, bro. Please kill me. This is not my home. I don't know nobody. I'm dead. Where you at? Call him. They got me messed up. I ain't never been here. I ain't got nobody. What the fuck I'm gonna do? Kill me. Please. Take me, kill me, man. I'm not trying to, this is not for this. I'm doing this for this. This is my life, man. This is my life. These people want to just take me and bring me to a place I ain't never been. I don't know nothing about. Where they do that at? Where? This is not justice. This is a crime. Where you taking people that don't belong in this country and bringing them and taking, this is a crime.
Why you push it back in Haiti? Why?
I don't know, because they're doing illegal things and you're accepting it. You're the only place that's accepting this. Haiti is the only place that's accepting this shit.
Where you was born, exactly?
Haiti in America.
In America.
In America.
From Haitian family or American family?
From a Haitian family.
Yeah.
So, regardless, I got the right to choose where the hell I want to be.
Okay.
All my life has been in America.
Okay.
All my life. Okay. I ain't got nobody here. Not one person.
Now you are not in touch with nobody in Haiti?
Huh?
Nobody.
Nobody.
Okay.
I don't got nobody.
Okay.
Huh? My full name is Sonny Raymond. Sonny Raymond. Yes. Huh? Miami. Huh? I'm 39. Man, please, no, man. They're gonna have to kill me. I'm not trying to. They're gonna have to kill me. No, I'm not going. I'm not doing this for this. They gotta shoot me. They're dead serious. I'm not playing, man. That's not no game. You're acting like this is a game. This is my life, man. I'm sorry, dog. I know you got a job to do, and I respect that. I know you got a job to do. But at the same time, you gotta understand about my life.
So, qui ça de votre Haïti? Bah, connaît. So, est-ce que déjà un avocat ou des avocat Bahamas ou bien en Haïti?
Bagen. Bagen moun ici, bagen pas comme même pays ça. C'est la première fois moi pays ça. Bah jamais moi pays ça. Non là rien. Avec notre haïtien qui a petit Jim. Pas connaît.
On your birthday, you speak Creole at all, man.
Send me home.
No, say because you speak on what else.
No. I don't have no papers. I have a Bahamian birth certificate. Not so. William not so.
Combien de temps va c'est
30 years. 30 years in America. 30 years.
So what did you do in the United States?
Huh? I already know, dog. I already know. Mbatiye moun, mbavole. Pour qui ça ici? William not so.